Okay, here we are behind Sao Paulo ruins. I'm gonna come back here in a minute, but I'm gonna go back into this little area, just kind of explore. And it's kind of cool. I just discovered it and I really want to share it here on the camera. So we're gonna do that in a minute when we come back. And there's Sao Paulo ruins again. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, backside of Sao Paulo ruins. Beautiful park. There's the that one you can overlook the whole city up there because that one has a what do you call that? Like a little fortress thing. So we're gonna go down Patio de Espinho. So this is I just was doing another video and then I saw how cool this stuff is. I was following this. It's like, wow, look at all these cords. And where are they going, right? Edificio Valle. So I got here and then I caught this on camera and I was like, wow, this is really beautiful. I love to explore in all these different directions, but then it's kind of standing here and I was like, it's like, man, that rooftop is really amazing. And just kind of like the skyline, right? So it kind of goes way down, goes down and up. And then you got some tall buildings, but this one right here is like these kind of crushed in buildings that are all together, right? And then I can see this little alley. And then there's just like so much character. Oh, there's even a little shrine right there. But then this one has like a little red. And people live here, so I'm not gonna speak too loudly. Some of the windows are open too, so but it's definitely pretty cool. So that's Sao Paulo ruins right there. So yeah, who knew there was a bunch of houses that were like right off this main road. Like I don't think anybody would go back here. You know, why would you? It doesn't even look like you should go back here. But then once you do, you can see that it's just set up with a bunch of small businesses or small houses. So yeah, it's so crazy. Then you got this kind of beautiful view right there. Wow. So okay, so I think there's like people that are eating dinner right there. More people eating dinner. So we definitely will step out of that little area. Looks like a little community of people. And I filmed in this space too, because this space is I've seen, I didn't know that people actually stayed up here, but there's basically, you can walk all the way down that way, and then this one right here, I think you can go up this way, and then Sao Paulo ruins is directly behind this building right here. I think we can come up here, so that's what we're gonna do in a minute. Patio, it's also called Patio do Espinho, so we're definitely gonna go up on this little space, and then we're gonna go up to Sao Paulo ruins. So yeah, this is the backside of Sao Paulo ruins, and we're gonna follow this through. So cool, Patio de Espinho. So I guess this one also goes into that space, so I followed it over that way, I guess. Huh. So anyways, we're gonna go up this way, and then this looks pretty dark, but pretty cool too. And just kind of see. Yeah, that looks amazing. Okay, so it's a little bit dark, but we're gonna follow it through anyways. So, okay. So this little space, there's all this kind of cool little lighting everywhere, little shrines, and then of course you can sit in these chairs. And this is, I don't know what it is. It's backside of Sao Paulo ruins, but it's also like, there's a museum in here too. I'll show that to you in a minute as well. Big to see how beautiful it is. So, oh, here's a museum right here. So there's a museum, and it's probably closed because it's a little bit late, but you can see inside the museum a little bit. So yeah, this is Patio do Espinho. And then you have this kind of stuff that they're talking about. Actually, I was here once. I filmed a long time ago. I filmed here at least 5 or 6 times. And one time I sat here and had a conversation with somebody and I filmed it. And he was talking to me about that legend and what it means to him. He's from the mainland. And then we're gonna come over here. And over here we have Sao Paulo ruins. So there's Sao Paulo ruins right there. So that's the back side of it. And then we're gonna do a whole other film later. And we're gonna film this whole space.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.